When you got a passion, been on for so long, and everything around you starts to go wrong. Gotta keep your head up, gotta move along. Get your mind up, boy, get strong. If it don't.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. How
Today,
you doing?
my name is Amalincho.
And I'm so flex.
She's so concentrated on our food, guys. We
God.
literally had to wait to before we eat. We had to do this. It's been like 3 years we haven't posted, and we weren't feeling good. We've been on chills. Yeah, we've been on chills. But today we're just gonna have a vlog, just a normal vlog. We're bringing you guys along with us, so you guys can join us. Right now, if I tell you where we are, you won't believe. But you know,
Please tell me.
yeah, we're in AG.
Ajegunde.
Ajegunle.
Well, we are catching trips here. The hotel is wonderful. We went out on Friday, right? We went out on Friday. It was mad fun. I was so high. I got so
Especially-
wasted. It was crazy.
Yeah, she messed up, guys.
I
If
forgot.
not at least YouTube, I honestly would not like. I won't hesitate to post the video when she was knocked out. I have series of videos where we go out and she gets so high, so messed up that
I have a pretty, not as strong as this coconut head, but my hair is strong, small. But we had so much to drink. We finished like 2 bottles of Martins, and guys, like, what even made me to start throwing up? You know, I'm just okay. For me, throwing up is not a big deal when I drink. Like, if I take a wrong drink, like a drink that is not good for my system, I can just easily go into the toilet, put my hand on my throat, and it's out. So I had enough, and I knew I had enough. But then we started playing some games.
lemon, lemon 1, lemon 2, lemon 3, lemon 4, lemon 5. That game is so interesting.
That was where I fucked up. I was not supposed to, go beyond.
One hard part about us.
Yeah.
One fact about us, we just want to give you guys a feel of who we are. Let's stop being too serious. You understand? Supposed to have fun on YouTube, not be too serious. One fact about us is we didn't write down whatever we're going to say. We didn't talk about what we're going to say. We just were chilling, just talking, having a conversation with you guys. We could share everything, but we could use each other's toothbrush. Yeah. Each other's sponge. Yeah, each other's towel. But I don't think we've worn each other's pants before.
Ew! How you saying all that kind of shit? That's nasty.
No.
First of all, obviously, we are the same size.
But if we were,
If we were, maybe. I don't know. We are crazy like that. We are crazy like that. I must say.
yeah. But before we go into this vlog today, there's no time to see me. We want to thank all our supporters.
I swear. Shout out.
I know
to
we're
you
not
guys.
so big, or it's not close to where we want to go to. It's not close to what we want. But what I know is
The support has been massive.
the support you guys give me has
You're
been so
encouraging
massive.
us to keep on going. We will still get there.
Yeah. So I want to thank you guys for subscribing, for commenting, for keeping up with us, for the views. It's beyond words. I've made up my mind now that I'm not going to go through the numbers anymore. Because if I go through the numbers, I might feel, oh, it's not getting to where I want it to get to. But guys, as in, I'm beyond words. I'm beyond words. I'm so grateful for this opportunity you guys have bestowed upon me by following me, subscribing to my channel, following me on the gram, following us on the gram and everything. So thankful. It's not where I want to get to. This is not what we want. Like, this is not our aim, but it's a positive response that somebody's watching somewhere and somebody's listening. So we're so grateful, guys. Still, thank you. Thank you so much. We're never going to anything. That's it. So, before that, let's go.
Like, we were supposed to like vlog the entire weekend.
Yeah, but we
Like
didn't.
bits by bits. You know, we said that we're going to be showing you guys what our definition of fun is. And trust me, we have been having mad fun. Like, yesterday we went to the pool.
Okay, we have a video of the pool.
Should we add the pool?
We'll add them later. We'll summarize all the videos we made at the hangout. We'll summarize all and send them to as our weekend vlog. Yeah. So as we were saying, sorry, I had to quickly do something. What was we saying? I can't even remember. Yeah, we're sorry.
Yeah, take it.
Give us some time. Let's just get a hang of this YouTube. Nice. I love fish, guys. Fish. So we'll my birthday is the next month. I'll be 20 something. What time you guys get to know all these details about us. As we progress into more vlogs, more talks. Got comment down. We need to do truth or dare.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll do that.
We'll do that. We'll truth or dare spicy stuff for you guys. Because I want to keep you guys entertained. We do this for you guys, not really for us. Because it's your views and your comments, your participation we need. Nothing else. Okay.
These noodles is spicy.
Yeah, it's so spicy, guys. This is what I wanted, actually. This is exactly what I wanted.
What's this?
Things like the teeth of the fish that we're supposed to have.
See what I found.
It's always in fish. Do you
It's
know that?
very strong. It sounds like stone. Maybe it's like a pebble. How the fish swallowed.
It's not a pebble.
What's it?
I eat fish a lot, so I know. So,
She's the fishy one. Always the fishy things.
blah, blah, blah. So guys, today, I know we're quite engrossed in this food. I don't like this fact. We'll catch you guys later when we're done with our grub. So we could end this video properly. Please just give us a few minutes. We'll see y'all. So guys, we're back. Man, we murdered the food. We finished.
I feel like I'm on some kind of cruise right now. Like
Whoa, that was nice.
spicy.
That was very nice.
I have this thing. If I feed very well, I start smiling somehow. I feel like somebody that is high. Like I'm feeling myself like food makes me feel good. I think I'm gonna make me have food orgasms.
Oh, really? Yeah, I think so.
After eating my time.
Really? That's something, right, guys? She's telling us something.
For me to come feed me.
But that's about it, guys. So, thanks for hanging on with us today. We have other things we want to do, but I think we're leaving this hotel today. We are third day.
We came on Friday.
Friday,
Saturday, Sunday, Monday. We just call it fourth.
We are third day. Yeah, and this is our first video. So sorry, guys. But we're just on chills and chills and chills and chills.
Just interrupt our chills.
But we promise next time.
Yeah, naughty. We are sorry.
We're not going to
let
you guys
out of the trips.
Yeah, we left out. So those videos we made while having fun, some funny stuff.
Just chicken and get
We're gonna
this and that.
No, we can't keep it in the video.
I can't chicken why?
Yeah, just cook. Okay, we'll put it in the next video.
Okay.
Yeah, put it in the video. So we're gonna upload another video after this in the next 24 hours. Please, let's just get this video to 50 views.
50 views small now. Have you not reached 100
No,
views?
but like 50 views in before 24 hours.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so guys,